Hey everyone, want to lock your apps on iPhone to keep them secure? I'll show you how to do it in just a few easy steps. Let's jump right in. First, open your Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. This is where you can control your app locks and restrictions. Now tap on Use Screen Time Passcode and set a passcode. This will be the key to locking your apps. Next, tap on App Limits, then select Add Limit. Choose the category or apps that you want to lock and set a daily time limit. Once the time limit is up, you will be locked out of the app until the next day. You can also tap Block at End of Limit to completely restrict access once the time is up. For extra security, you can use Guided Access. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Guided Access and turn it on. This allows you to lock the screen to just one app, preventing anyone from switching to another app. And that's it. Now you can easily lock your apps and keep them secure. If this video helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you in the next one.